Latin square designs are competent strategies with variations in the rows and columns of a dataset where the information is only seen once in each section, meaning this simply states the information will not repeat in the same row or column. So the Latin history of Latin square designs would be around the year 1000 in Arab and Indian communities. There used to be amulets where there would be random designs and shapes. And it was said that it would warn away the evil spirits and show reverence for gods. So it would celebrate the sun and the planets and so on. And this is where it's said the Latin square designs began. Some of the random variations of Latin square designs would be it can be placed anywhere, and through trial and error we must see which method works. The mathematical relationships and the advantages include randomization, meaning it could be anywhere. You could choose any order. There's proficiency, so you must go through trial and error to see which method works. And there's discrepancy, meaning there's directions. The row and columns within a box chart. The order. If the purpose of a project is to have consistency, then Latin square design is definitely not the best method. But if you want randomization and variety, then definitely this is the best. Some of the disadvantages include the size, meaning it could be way too small or way too large. Some of the size charts include 2x2, 4x4, 6x6, and etc. The restriction is the rows and the columns. You are limited and you have to follow the rows and column method. So some of the statistical relations to Latin square designs would be ANOVA. So Latin square analysis of variance allows for data to be presented in each section once with strong avoidance to reoccurrence. So it is definitely a good method to use in statistics. Everyday uses of Latin square designs includes in art, such as mosaic pieces, building structures, pillars, and even in clothing. Science, such as Punnett squares and genetic charts, where you don't want information to repeat. Landscape, such as agriculture designs for variations, order of plants in gardens. School could be organizing students or facility in different orders during a group activity. So the connection to civil engineering, because I'm a civil engineer major, would be the order of a testing condition for a new bridge or road being built can be displayed using a Latin square design to see which pillar design should be used for no repetition within the same row or column. The same method could be used to choose the type of road or design of the bridge within a city, because you don't want the same style over and over a city. You want a variation. You want the city to be unique. So it's definitely a method to use. Another relation to Latin square designs would be Sudoku. So Sudoku is a mathematical game. It comes from a Swiss mathematician named Leonard Euler, where this game went on to Hong Kong, where the game was created. There's variations at the mathematical design. You arrange the numbers in order, and it's a hobby. It's definitely something that people use to entertain themselves. And last but not least, this is Works Cited page.